Get all the water.
Oh, bro.
So we got a call for a Hummer that is stuck in the river down here by Mesquite. We're heading out there in the wrecker to see if we can get it. We got Colin with us.
Good morning. It is a brisk 65 degrees. It's gonna be sunny. It's gonna be a good day.
So you might notice Colin sitting on the floor. That's because we've been working on the wrecker. We're starting to do the interior. And when we got this call, we had no seats. So we just had time to bolt one in, and I don't even think we tightened the bolts.
Looks like I'm sitting on the floor. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So Jake and I brought it strong with the fit today. We got the shorts, letting the leg hairs breathe. Oh my goodness.
What do we got here?
We got...
How cold is that water?
Actually not terrible.
All right. This is looking better than I thought. I thought we were going to have to drive in here, but I don't think we're going to have to. I think we can do it all from the bank.
I'm going to have to get in there though.
Yeah, we need to find out what good things it's got to hook to. We're going to need to get it in neutral and see if we can get the wheels steered. But I think the wrecker will just pick it up and drag it up out of this way. What in the world? What kind of safari stuff is this? Kind of Amazon safari.
Next thing you know, there's going to be a tiger right there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Watch out for tigers and crocodiles.
Jake, how you feeling?
I thought we were going somewhere cool to swim. Not the Virgin River.
I hope it's got good old strong tow hooks on it.
What happened with this rig out here in the water?
I thought I was cool, as I do every day, until it got sandy.
Yeah?
Yeah. The Hummer's supposed to be, you know, undefeatable.
Yeah?
I've gotten through some tough stuff, but this one got me.
Don't step on any of that sharp bamboo. There's sharp stuff down there. I can see it.
It's cold, but not as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Whoa. How is it, Colin?
Sand in here, and it's cold. Okay, I found a tow point, but I can't move it. It's a D-ring. It's rested flat, and I can't move it.
Well, we'll solve your problem. We don't have a little pry bar in there anymore. This should work though, right?
That'll work.
If that won't do it, we found the pry bar.
Yeah.
Is that getting it? You want a pry bar?
Get behind it. There we go.
All right, Jake, you can put the bar of justice back up.
Oh, this is nice, Colin.
That one's on. Okay. Okay, you ready? Get all the water.
Oh, bro.
Reverse, neutral. So I pop that up. This little button you just push and then you can shift it. So it's in neutral right now.
Okay, Colin, jump in there and steer it. Straighten your wheels out. How's that looking? Pretty good. Let's see if we can drag it out of here. All right, we got to get both these rigs loaded up on that trailer so we can get them dropped off.
Thank you, Jake, for not making me get wet.
Kobe, I got you, buddy.
It wasn't bad, actually. It was super warm.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's decent.
See, my full river regalia didn't get used. You're hanging on by a thread.
Look at these wrinkle rolls. Wow. Press it.
Okay, can you set the park brake or put it in park or do any of the things that are necessary?
All the above.
All right. How much air do you have in those back tires? Turn your wheels to the right so that... There you go.
Command center.
Yeah.
There's a giant river log in here if you need it for more dummies.
The problem is I'm picking up on it
And pulling it forward.
and pulling it forward.
It might go if you just set it down. Oh yeah.
Okay, now straighten your wheels out.
There it is.
Go. Right there.
Great.
River weeds.
The algae. They're gifting us the chairs.
We'll trade the chairs for a job.
These seats are sweet.
Yeah.
Now we can sit here and think about all of our projects. All right, there you go, man.
The best. Guardian Angels. Thank you
Have a
guys
good
so
one.
much.
Thank you. So we found him, we got him fished out, and we got him back to the safety of his own yard. So we got a call for a truck that is sunk in the river down near Washington Dam. So we're gonna head out there and see if we can get it. Have Rudy driving the wrecker today, and Higgins. Little Higgy there, hey Higgy. We got Colin on the back. I think we're gonna get him out.
Yesterday I did a recovery right there. Now we're doing one right over here.
Yeah, the guy's just on the other side of that. We've just got to figure out how to get through this. I'm thinking we need to get up and cross where the river's flowing instead of where this sediment is.
I've got some anxiety. Like, I have Quichapa all over in my head again.
So just proceed with caution. Okay, stay up here then.
This is not what I wanted to do today. Come on, Higgins. Come here, buddy. Joys of the off-road recovery world. Wet socks.
Right there. I wonder where this guy was going. This isn't exactly a road. You gonna ask this guy where he was going?
I'm going to. I'm curious. There's nothing up here.
Nothing up here but heartache and disappointment.
Where was it you were planning on going?
Well, I meant to go over there, but I somehow wound up right here.
Well, what? Are you headed up here to go look at something?
No, I'm just messing around.
Ah, I
Yeah,
see.
I'm just having some fun. I take my dirt bike in here sometimes, so I'm like, if I can take the dirt bike, I can take the truck, but...
There?
The differential is pretty much all the way under the mud.
Yep. Seeing
So
that.
Put both your lockers on.
Let me grab the soft shackle. You just gonna pull them out?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at the record. We got the mud bog tires on there.
Yeah, we're gonna try those out today, huh?
Yeah, we're set up.
This will be a static pull.
Yeah.
And don't bury yourself.
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you put the rope up. Rudy, how'd you keep your feet dry? I guess we'll just go out the way we came in.
Guess so. Wasn't too bad.
Well, that wasn't so bad.
Swim, Higgy. Oh, he's like an otter. He's having some trouble back there.
We'll back up just nice and slowly. Little bit of gas, just a little bit. Okay, stop. Put it in drive. Give it just a little bit of gas forward. Go for it, go. Okay, stop. Back up just nice and slow. Okay, stop. Okay, now go forward again. Go to the right, go to the right. Impressive. Got out.
This is the debris of someone else who got stuck. Doesn't belong here though.
Wow, that was impressive. I thought for sure we were gonna have to use the wrecker. That was something.
Here you go.
Woo! Thank you, sir.
Sealed for your protection.
Fantastic. Thank you. Thanks, guys. You guys rock.
Thank you.
Saved my butt. Thank you. Absolutely, sir.
So when you have wet dogs, this is what you do with them. Throw them on the back with Colin. Best way to dry them off.
All right, that job was refreshing. We just went in there, got him out of there, sent him on his way.
I think his favorite color was blue.
I think it was orange.
Really?
Yes.
Because of the ramp limiter?
Because yes.
Thanks for watching.
It is the Amazon.
Yep. Nothing says Amazon like Canadian geese.